Okay, so here we are with the receiver. Got our barrel and our guide rod and slide all lubed up right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to take my break free. I'm going to start up here at the front of the frame. Now this is a polymer frame, and so there's not a lot of metal in there, but there is for a little piece of metal for your serial number. And I just like to keep that serial number area clean, keep it rust free. Then I'm going to do the same thing back here. Here's my barrel seat. Here's my hammer and trigger assembly back here. I'm just going to give that a good squirt up here on the barrel seat. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to wipe around with my fingers. I know that I've got that spray down these smaller moving parts. And there's not much that you need to necessarily worry about on the outside except for your slide release here and just your disassembly catch. I just kind of wipe those down real good. And I'm just going to touch on this hammer, my seat here. All right. Now break free needs a little bit of time to set in, and about a minimum of 25-30 minutes up to a full day if you really have the time. So what we're going to do now that we have all of our parts lubed up with break free and setting, we're going to let these sit most of the day, and we're going to come back and we're going to get these things scrubbed up. But first we're going to let them sit and we're going to let the break free work its magic.